on, Jason. Checking the warehouse after hours, you know better than that. Could have been home watching the game, but no. Here we are looking at the last box of Enginetech oil pumps, and everybody wants them. Figures.
Find that oil pump, boys. Without them, their engines are toast.
Those clowns really think anything of them? They don't know about those old pumps. They're made strong, and they'll last forever. Oh, there you are, beautiful. Welcome to the pressure zone, pal. Die hard, build hard, Enginetech style. Come out to the shop, have a few laughs, grab an Enginetech oil pump, keep your motor running smooth. Yippee-ki-yay, engine rebuilders. Get an oil pump from Enginetech and keep your vehicle running strong.